Hey, welcome back to Adventures with Pawpaw. Hey, look, I'm going to do something really quick and really simple today. I'm going to change my gray tank pool valve handle. As we all know, they all come through primarily plastic, and when you pull on them and they get stuck and you pull on them, they break. So mine broke, and trying to pull that little knob off of there, which I'll show you in a second, man, it really tears your hands up. So I bought a metal one, and I'm going to show you how to replace that real quick. First, you're going to need a couple things. One, you're going to need a rag. Show you that in a second. Two, get yourself a pair of vice grips. Three, pair of channel locks. And last but not least, you need a new pull valve. And as you see, I got a metal one. I bought this at my local RV dealership. Let's get started. Just remember, before you get started, make sure your tanks are empty before you pull those valves, because if not, ooh, you're going to be in for a big surprise. Okay, as you see here, here's the pull valve, and it's broke. Okay, this is for my gray tank, and this thing really will tear your hand up trying to pull this off like this. So we're going to replace just this piece here. All right, so with everything that I just showed you, then that's what we're going to need. Okay, we're going to need to get this off, and it's threaded, so but you don't want to bucker this up. So that's what we're going to do. Let me show you how I'm going to do this. Okay, first you want to make sure that this rod's out. You're going to wrap this cloth around the rod to protect it. And the reason why you want to do that is so the rod doesn't spin when you take this off. And then you're going to take your channel locks and you're going to break this free. Once that's broke free, that should come off very simply just by spinning this off, unthreading it. Now, if you feel the rod is still spinning, tighten up your vice grips a little bit, just a little bit more, just enough to where it'll stop spinning. And this should just unthread like it's doing. And that's that. Then you take your other one, which is metal now, okay? And you just take that, and it should be common thread. So then you just thread that on there. Hold your vice grips and just hand tighten it. And there you go. Your valve handle is replaced. And that's that. That was a quick, easy fix. I just wish every RV fix was that simple. Yeah, I didn't get hurt. Pawpaw didn't get hurt. So I hope you find that helpful. And if you did, please give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and leave a comment if it was that easy for you or if it was hard. Once again, thanks for watching Adventures with Pawpaw.